Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you new here, my name is Donna, and for those of you not new, thank you so much for coming back and supporting my channel. Today I'm doing my beauty room tour, my beauty slash office slash craft room tour. You guys, I have asked before and you guys have all stated that you were looking forward to one of these, so I am giving it to you full force. It's kind of a mess and I'm super sorry if I'm like spinning you around in all different kinds of places. I will try and cut as much out as I can that might make a person sick. But I hope that you guys enjoy the video. Thank you so much for joining us today and enjoy. All right, so as far as room tours go, I'm not really sure what you guys want to see, but I'm gonna back up just a little bit here. So this is my room tour. This is my vanity area. You guys can see that is my vanity where all my palettes are. This bin right here has all of my samples and my sheet masks and whatnots in there. And this mirror here is actually where I stand to do my makeup. I have stood to do my makeup for so long that I don't know what I would do if I didn't stand to do my makeup. With that being said, there's also that mirror here that I just got not that long ago. And I'll get closer so you guys can see it. That I use when I'm doing like get ready with me's and whatnot. And then my table here. You guys can see all the stains on the carpet from my daughter who thought she needed to paint with my blue and purple paint in here when she was about 4. She's now 8, so there's that. So I think I have said before, this is my filming slash beauty slash office slash creative space. So I think I'm one of the only people that still has one of those kind of like filing cabinets left on the planet. But this is my lighting system. Let me get away from the windows a little bit so you guys can see. I just have 2 like umbrella lights. Is that blinding you? And then this light here that maybe is blinding you a little bit. And then on top of my filing cabinet, I also have another light that sits on top of my camera when I'm filming. So there's this light here that sits on top of my camera when I'm filming. So this is the top of my filing cabinet, just, you know, stuff. I am a Hello Kitty, like, crazy person. So that is my build a Hello Kitty that, cost me $80 for that stuffed animal. But is it here? Where is it? Oh, she doesn't say it anymore. She says, I love you. I love you. So if I back up, this is like all of my scrapbooks, my photo albums. That is a mess right there. My husband built me that little trinket box right there that I have some like love notes and whatnot stuffed into. This down here is like office supplies, journals, and then next to it is like adult coloring books because I kind of love to color. And then these are all filled with just miscellaneous like office supplies and whatnot, papers, pens, whatnot. That is all of my daughter's beauty stuff because she doesn't have her own room, so she comes into mine to do it. Just some stuff in there, my Mickey ears, some hats, some books, my Dymo. I have my James Charles Morphe brush set right here that's really dusty on top apparently, so there's that. I have just a little sample size dude here. My collection of, part of my collection of my Starbucks mugs there. And that was an advent calendar that Starbucks did one year. I have some old stuff there. This is all like sewing and printing. And this is a new coat that I just picked up from Torrid that I love. Books and then stuff, just stuff, you guys. There's just so much stuff in here. This all is, for the most part, these two things here are all crafting, and this is all full of crafting stuff as well. But over here, hi me, there is my perfume collection right there. I have quite a few, actually, and I don't wear any of them, and some of them, as you guys can see over here, are still in boxes. And there's another Hello Kitty. These are all full of, like, crafting stuff down here. There's a couple pairs of brand new boots. Alright, so if we go back over here, let's start over here. Those 3 shelving units right there are packed to the brim with skincare and hair care. I think this one over here is hair care. This is skincare, and this is skincare. This shelving unit has like all of my current in use. So all of this back here is my current in use, like lotions, hair products, whatnot. This stuff up here is stuff that I just got in and I still need to put away. So it's not as clean as I like it to be. But then down here, everything in these drawers is backups. So this is like skincare. This is like, there's some like stuff in here. There's blush, some like lip products, some skincare, some lotions, some stuff. This has got a lot of mascaras and lipsticks and like Wet n Wild jelly eyeshadows. Then I have more skincare and lotions down here, and a Beauty Blender Solid. Then down here I have bath stuff. This is my drawer of declutter stuff when I get around to a declutter. This is like hair product, or like there's brushes in here. There's just miscellaneous stuff in here. Lots of hair stuff. This one is hair color and like tools. So this goes to my magnetic palettes, and then this is for charging, you know, stuff. This is lashes. This is all my lashes. This is lip liners, lip palettes, and dual-ended brushes. And then this is all my face powders in there. So there's that guy. And a lot of that came in, you know, I got in gratis or through my subscription boxes. So, alright guys, this is my desk that I'm sitting at when I'm filming most every single time I film. This is just a nice mirror that I got, and it turns on here. It also has like different kinds of lighting you can use for it, and you can make it the lighting brighter or not so bright. Back here on the shelf I have some stuff going on. This whole room is surrounded by windows. It's like literally being in a fishbowl. Okay, so back here I have like some setting sprays in this back one here, and here I have a couple of my face brushes, but then this is like my liquid eyeliners and my brow products here. This is all eyeliners. There's some like brow crayons and like mascaras back there, and then this is all glitter eyeliners. Just some face care stuff I'm using. My wipes. These are my NYX soft matte lip creams that I have. This I use as my monitor when I'm filming. Those are a few palettes that I just keep up there because I either A, don't want to put them down with the other palettes like my Pat McGrath, or this Morphe one I use actually quite frequently to help me out with looks. And then this is just a giant like blush and contour palette by BH that I have honestly never used. So I don't know why I haven't used that, but there's that. And then over here we have a bunch of brushes. This is all brushes. This is face razors that I purchased and am too scared to use. And like a file, some hair brushes. And then this is just miscellaneous stuff. I think there's some poopery in there, as well as like my phone case and whatnot. Candy, because you can never have too much candy. And then I just got these, have them on today. I am not certain that I love them, but they're super easy to put on anyways. They're the Ardell Magnetic Liner and Lashes. Really interesting to not have to use glue as a liner. I mean glue for, you know, your lashes, but that is what it is. A Coke, because I love Coke. That is where my makeup bag lives day to day, unless I'm out of town. I do have this giant microphone here that I have never used, never figured out how to use. My man bought it for me and I can't figure out how to use it, so I just don't. I have things hanging from the ceiling. This guy here is where I have my samples. I think if you're familiar with my channel, you've seen that a little bit too. This is all of my palettes in there, as well as some like makeup bags and whatnot. And that stuff over there is like, that's my makeup empties bin. That is actually full of craft paper. Then there is my vanity right there. This is where all of the makeup stuff is. Yeah. And that is my mirror that I do my makeup at. Hello. My little headbands. So anyway, I hope that you guys, oh, those are all of my little buttons that I received, or keychains that I receive from makeup companies. These are all from Urban Decay. These ones are, let's see, these three and this one are actually from Starbucks. That's Boscia, obviously. Boscia, Clinique. I put just all my trinkets up there and then just some other stuff. So anyways, that is my makeup room. Let me open up this guy for you. So in here, I have this is my next giveaway. That's a box full of giveaway stuff. This is makeup bags. Those are all FabFitFun boxes that are full of all kinds of stuff. I got that. It's a towel. I got it in gratis at GMC. My daughter's little easy bake oven. And that is all like stuff I don't use, so it could go into a giveaway. See this box right here? This box is full of makeup product boxes. Like, I don't know why I keep that stuff. Are any of you crazy like that? I feel like it's a little bit crazy. That is all of my scarves. Some backpacks. And in that drawer down there, that drawer is bursting at the seams full of like bags. So purses, backpacks, like bags. That is what those are. And then the rest of what's in there is like crafting stuff. So up there is a bunch of stuff too. So this is the closet that's in this room. This used to be, I think, a bedroom. I couldn't imagine sleeping in this room as a bedroom just because of the windows, all of the windows, like all of the windows. So there's that. I have a chair in here that currently my coat is hanging off of because sometimes my daughter comes in here while I'm filming or whatnot. This little ottoman is kind of beat up, but it is an ottoman that you can, this is the lid, right? It lifts up. Sorry, you guys get to see my pretty foot right there. It's tore up. It is the oldest piece of furniture that I have, I feel like. There's all kinds of like family photos in there. So I just hang on to it, and it's where I stick like stuff, like haul stuff before actually filming it. So yeah, guys, that is my beauty space. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. I have been through quite a few of these drawers. Actually, you've seen everything in those two drawers for sure and all that. This is my lip products. Holy cow. And then that is all of my single eyeshadows besides what's in my magnetic palettes. This is like my creams and my singles. And then that is my everyday drawer stuff that I use. There's my all of my foundations and my primers, some concealers, and my brushes, some brushes. There's more right there. And of course you guys saw those ones over there. So if you have any questions, please let me know. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I'm sorry I'm kind of twirling you around, but I hope that you did enjoy it. I've been promising a beauty room tour for a long time. And that's it. That's my space. I hope you guys enjoyed watching the video. If you did, please don't forget to give a big thumbs up. It really does help out our channels out here. If you didn't like it, go ahead and thumbs it down as well. That also helps, and I'm sorry that you didn't like the content. Let me know what you think of my space, guys. Let me know what you think of what I've got going on in this crazy room here of multi-purpose shenanigans. Thank you again so much for joining us. I hope that you enjoyed the video. Hopefully you enjoyed it, or me, enough that you're considering subscribing to my channel. And if you do, please don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you're notified every single time I upload a video, which is typically Monday, Wednesday, and Friday of every week. Sometimes Sunday instead of Friday, depending on my work week, but most of the time it is pretty consistently Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. I would love to hear your comments down in the comments section, and until next time, guys, bye.